Hello, my name is Don. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do the Day at the Range Pumpkin Challenge, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're out here at 50 yards and we're going to do the Day at the Range Pumpkin Challenge. Now we're going to be using the CZ457 Varmint Precision Trainer. Now this has a Lilja Barrel on it. We took that 16-inch barrel off and got rid of it. Also, Timney trigger, Accu-Tac Bipod, and we're running this new Discovery 5-25 scope. Now I just got this in the other day and we got it mounted up. I've shot a couple of groups with it. I'm telling you what, I'm pretty impressed with the glass on this and the turrets and the dialing. So far, so good. This seems to be a pretty impressive optic for the money. So, guys, we got a terrible wind today. I probably shouldn't even be attempting this, but we're going to give it a shot. So, stay tuned. All right, let's try a couple of sighters here and see if this semi-auto is even going to be suitable or good enough to do this challenge with this rifle. Didn't see where it went. I'm going to shoot at that shot I just did. Yeah, it's definitely shooting to the left. This wind is really making everything unpredictable. I'm going to shoot at the last shot I just did. Alright, that's pretty close. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Now guys, this is cheap ammunition, $7 a box. Let's see what we can do with this. Now we get the hard ones. Oh, that's a miss. Oh, that was really hot. That figures. 24 out of 25. I think I hit that one. It might be 23 out of 25. I can't really tell from back here. All right, well, do we have enough Lapua? We do. Let's shoot this one more time with some Lapua long range. Now this rig normally likes the Lapua long range the best, but like I said, this ammunition has not been shooting that good for me lately, and we got a wind problem too. I'd really like to be able to clean this thing because I usually do quite well in these challenges, and this one seems to have my number a little bit. Alright, let's see what we can get here. I'm gonna shoot at the stem. Looks like it might be a little bit right. Wow, stuff is all over the place. Well, it's definitely shooting a little high. Let's go one down. Let's see what happens. Ooh, what's up with that pumpkin? Well, yeah, I don't think I hit that one. Just look at. Looks like 23 out of 25 again. Well, guys, it's looking like 23 out of 25 is going to be the best I can do. Let me go pull those down. We'll put all the targets up here and then we'll talk about it real quick, so stand by. Alright guys, so I grabbed my targets. The first one we ended up getting 24 out of 25. Let me show you the target. This was a hit. I didn't think it was, but it definitely was a hit. This was a miss. All the rest of them were hits. So we ended up getting 24 out of 25 out of that first target we shot. Then when we switched over to the Lapua, guys, they really were not questionable. Now that I pulled them up, if you look, let's see, this one right here was looking questionable. It's definitely a hit. Took out the top end of the pumpkin there. I don't know if you can see that. Here too, we hit the side of the pumpkin, and here too, same thing. They're definitely good hits. I'll take a better picture of it so that you can see. We'll stick a bullet through it so that you can see that those are definitely hits. So stand by. So I wanted to give you a better look at those questionable hits. Now, it'd be great if you could center punch every one of these, and every once in a while, you're going to get a few that do not look like they hit. You know, they didn't look like they hit to me when I was shooting it, but as you can clearly see, that one there, we took the little bit out of the top of the pumpkin. This one here, we took a little bit out of the side of the pumpkin, and this one here, we took, again, a little bit out of the side. And again, it'd be great if we could center punch every one of them, but guys, a hit's a hit, and those are all hits. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I got for you today. So if you like what you saw, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like what I'm doing here, go down there and smash that subscribe button. I can't build this channel without you. Thanks for watching. And guys, I could use your support. Follow my links in my description to my Patreon. Any help you could do would be much appreciated. We'll see you in the next one.